Alright, dude. See you in 5 days. Yeah. We'll tell you of our stories. Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it's all good.
Yeah, it went there without me. Okay, have a good day at work. Peace. Woo! We're gonna be leaving Calgary today and we're gonna be heading to Toronto for the Driven show. Shane's taking the car to go to work. So sad. Also gonna be meeting Gutu at the airport. So right now it's gonna be me, my brother, and here's our Uber driver. How's it going, man? Yeah. How was your day? Simon's actually from Vancouver, so he's gonna meet us in Toronto. Alright, we good? We're gonna go to security, we're gonna grab some coffee, and we're gonna sit down and relax. Morning. Have a good day. So this is the new part of the terminal, and they got this, it's called the YYC link, which basically brings people from one gate to the other. It's because it's long. Yo. You all set, bruh?
All set.
Yeah, but he's on his way.
Maybe he's driving it.
No, some lady took his drink. She like went ahead of us, took the same drink that I guess she ordered, but
people don't listen to idiots.
I know,
So
man.
many times, like yesterday at Tim Hortons, some lady just wasn't even paying attention, just took my sandwich and opened it up, saw that it wasn't hers. Like, oh, is this yours? Like, yeah, oh shit.
Oh, he got this food.
Be a little bit louder.
All right, we made it. We're in Toronto. And we went from super dry to super wet. It's raining here. Here's our entire booth. Just waiting on Simon now. Yeah, I think he has a car and he's actually just gonna pick us up. We're gonna head to the Airbnb, drop everything off, and then probably go check up on my car. There's like 3. I don't understand. What? Crazy. What?
I can fit that one, the small one.
Oh, thanks, man. All right. Whoa.
What are the houses like?
We made it. Awesome, dude. There she is. Oh. Yo, John, thanks for the ride, bro. Bruh. So these, John, and they both own the same car. Wait, actually, this is asphalt gray, right? Asphalt. This is actual Raven black. It's so hard to tell. Look who's here. Yeah, I know, right? Kind of reminds me, this is exactly what happened in Hawaii. The rides are here. Damn. Woo. 3 different like FRSs.
Highway 7.
That is funny.
His wheels.
Yeah, he told me. Yeah. Before he made the switch.
Yeah,
They look good, man. Yeah. Hey, my baby. It's in pieces. Right. So other than this, I think she looks exactly as she did when she left Calgary. Plan for today. Actually, we still have like 1 day before the actual driven car show, so I'll put on as much of the body that I can on this driveway. Splitter, maybe I can wait on that because the roads aren't the best here, but yeah, we can get started. Full spoiler, everything seems to still be back here. Tetris. Oh fuck, dude, we got all the luggage in here.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna go. Oh,
that means I can drive my own car.
Someone can go with me. Just kidding, just kidding. It's been a while. Oh. Huge shout out to Diana and both Johns. These guys, awesome hosts. Thank you guys for picking us up from the airport. Now we're gonna go grab some food. We're gonna grab some dinner at a place called the Flaming Kitchen. See you guys there. Bruh, we gotta find a gas station before we do anything else because I'm way low, bro. So many lights. Okay, first of all, I still have no idea why my check engine light is on. All right, before heading to the Airbnb, these guys are gonna show us Next Mod, which is one of the garages here in Ontario. No idea where we're headed. I'm scared, I'm scared. Here we go. Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, I noticed that on yours.
This is so crazy. Yo, so this is Mike's V2. Super crazy. Man, it's kind of hard to see right now, but these are some of the builds they got here. Full Pandem, BRZs, STIs, R35s, man. I wish it was morning, you guys can see more, but insane S2K. Pretty crazy, hey? Yeah, this is my from? Calgary. Vancouver. Oh yeah, 2 different places. Damn.
This is the retail area.
This is where all the magic happens. Holy. Wow. This is intense. So this is the Next Mod facility here in Ontario, and it is ridiculous in here. It's like everything you'll ever need. It's like a plotter.
Is no club Night Runner too?
Yeah, no, those are his new stickers, man. That's Reggie's stuff. That's cool. Hey. Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Wow, good for you.
Yeah, I gotta.
Might as well. You gotta make sure it's the right thread size.
Yeah, I asked them to say
Nice.
for those wheels.
Gold, eh?
Yeah.
Hey. Yadi? Yeah, Mike, nice pleasure meeting you in person, man. Yeah, I'll see you at the show for sure.
9:30?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
But yeah, we'll see you bright and early, man.
Yeah.
Yo, nice meeting you guys.
Oh, you too.
Yeah, pleasure, man. Take care, man.
See you Saturday.
Yeah, Colin.
Yeah, same.
Pleasure, man. Hey. Let's roll out. Damn. These kids in their cars. It's bigger than I thought. Party here after.
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to our Airbnb. Got the cliche words of life. Alright, this place is legit. We'll go for a small mini tour, okay? So you come down the stairs, the basement suite. You got waiting table for when you're doing your laundries. Come into the main room here, which they've also made into a mini bedroom, bathroom. Dude, we got a kitchen too. Who cooks? And the main master bedroom. Is it Instagram break? The MTV Cribs. I'll bid you farewell. Goodbye. And scene. But for reals, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here, call it a night. We're in Toronto, and the Driven show starts in a couple of days. So probably just chill out, enjoy Toronto for what it is with Gutu, my brother, and Simon, and we will see you guys at the show. For now, I'll sign off, but thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, drop a like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.